Hey folks, one more setback on the 65 Ford Galaxy convertible. So you remember what the gear on the camshaft looked like? It was really chewed up, right? I assumed that the drive gear on the distributor would also be chewed up. But when I inspected with my father-in-law, it looked perfect. So we didn't bother ordering a new gear. However, we had neglected to remember that the day that it broke down, I actually took the distributor from my Edsel. And we were going to try it, and we never did. This is the actual drive gear from the distributor that was in the car. And you can see it's quite chewed up. These two gears are slightly different size. It's the same distributor, same part number, everything on there, but the gears are slightly different. This one's slightly larger. This one measures 1.52 inches, and this one's 1.42 inches. So, long story short, I've ordered this drive gear. It should be here Friday. It is what it is. I guess we gotta wait till Friday to see if it makes any noise. In the meantime, I think I can probably just go ahead and put the rad and everything back in and have everything back together and ready to just drop the distributor in a hole and fire her up when it finally shows up. So anyways, not the best of news, but should be expected. I'm kind of dumb. I knew this must have been eaten up, but yeah, we got confused. There's been too many things, and it's been too long since the damage actually happened. It was back last summer, so that's it for today.